Hello, fellow freelancers. Today, I want to talk to you about a way to stand out when you're trying to get prospective jobs. And this can be whether you're contacting agencies or even if you're contacting end clients or even if you're just responding to job postings. And it's a way to stand out. And this came across my radar because I noticed it when I'm operating my agency and people contact me. I noticed a couple things because every now and then people will they'll either send me their resume, they'll fill out the form online, or they'll contact me for specific jobs or whatever it might be, or they'll just email me. However it is that they get in touch with me, I won't lie. When they, especially like if they fill out the form on the database and I see under comments or something like that, that they mention they know me from one of these videos or from my book or from my course or something like that, it sticks with me, and because this is something personal. This is something where they show that they know me, and so I go through stuff and I'm try to be non-biased and all that, but I'm sure it has an effect. I'm sure something like that does have an effect because it also kind of shows to me that that they have a feel for me. They know what kind of person I am because they've seen me speaking here, or they've read my writing, or usually a combination thereof, or taking my course or something like that. So I'm pretty sure it has an effect. So I was thinking, when you are contacting other people as well, if you do something similar, it probably does have an effect. So for example, if you're trying to, say, apply for a job and you need to get in touch with a certain, say, John Smith who works at so-and-so agency, maybe do a search for that person and find them on LinkedIn. I know a lot of people don't like to click on LinkedIn because you can see who clicked on your profile and who didn't. I actually think that's a pretty good thing because especially if you're applying for a job, it shows that you have some sort of initiative. And then if you're writing back to this John Smith, then you can say, hey, oh, you went to so-and-so school, I went there too. Or you are into rollerblading and I'm, whatever it might be. If you do find this point in common, or you do find something about them that they'll notice and that'll kind of grab their attention a bit more, then why not include it there? And I really think it's a way to sort of subliminally, subconsciously in a way, stand out. And like I said, I'm sure it has an effect. And I'm sure if you can do something like that, it'll help out with your chances. So yeah, it's a very simple thing to do. And I think it really helps. Rather than just replying to job postings or just sending out your resume here, maybe take a couple seconds to actually search for the person's name and see what pops up. You never know. Something might pop up, something might not. Or you search for the person's name plus the company they work for, or on LinkedIn or whatever it might be, and something will pop up. And then you try to find either a point in common, or if you can't find that, find something that you think they might be interested in. And, like say maybe they are from Montana and but now they're based in New York, but you see they're from Montana. You've never been to Montana. You don't know anything about Montana, but you're thinking, oh, people have said Montana is really beautiful. So, maybe just mention that. And, you can say, oh, by the way, I see you're from Montana. And actually some friends were just telling me how beautiful it is up there. I'm so jealous, or I don't know, just something like that. You never know. Like I said, it's always a shot in the dark with these things. And quite frankly, for any of you who've been applying for jobs or sending out resumes or anything, you know what I mean. It's very much a shot in the dark. So any little thing you can do to try to get ahead or stick in the person's mind can help out. So something like this is very simple, and I think it really helps out. And you can use this in any occasion where you're sending out cold emails, as they say, sending out resumes or replying to job postings or whatever it might be. Something like this can be useful and helpful. So yeah, I hope you can add that to when you're applying for jobs. I think it's something simple you can do that can help you out. And feel free, please let me know if you do and if it did help and what you did exactly. And otherwise, that's pretty much it. I will talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.